How to avoid conflict when parents visit, by Travel Insurance, www.visitorscreeninsurance.net. When most people have their parents come to visit, they are concerned with the cleanliness of their house and what they will serve for dinner. However, if your parents live in another country, planning their visit can be more complicated. To make their visit as comfortable as possible, ask yourself the following questions. Who is in charge of arranging transportation? Generally, individuals like to make their own arrangements because they know their preferences, window or all seat, kosher or vegetarian, but in an increasingly digital age, you may be able to save your parents hundreds of dollars by scouring the internet for great deals that are only available online. Will they want to rent a car when they get into town, or do they plan on borrowing yours? Who is financing the trip? Will they be covering every expense or will you? If you plan on splitting the cost, talk through the airfare, hotel, car rental, food, and entertainment costs in advance. Discussing money is never fun, but it is much easier when approached proactively, so that false expectations do not have time to form, which can cause disappointment and resentment if, when, they are not met. Where will they be staying, with you or in a hotel? Both options have pros and cons. Staying with you will be more affordable, and if grandchildren are in the picture, will give them greater time with their grandparents. However, this arrangement will depend heavily on your and your spouse's relationship with your parents, the length of their visit, and cultural expectations. Sometimes having a hotel room will give each of you valuable space, and if the kids can use the hotel pool, that is an added incentive. What is the purpose of the visit? This is important specifically because it seems so obvious they are coming to see you, right? But you will want to find out ahead of time if they plan on seeing other friends in the area or would like to do some sightseeing. Develop a proposed itinerary, including alone time for yourself with your family, and show it to your parents. Briefly explain your ideas and let them know you are open to suggestions for improvement. Will you need visitor care insurance? Most health insurance companies do not cover out-of-country expenses, and rarely can you add your parents to your own policy for a limited amount of time. Instead, look into purchasing a visitor's care insurance plan, which will offer short-term visitor care insurance to cover any medical expenses that your parents may incur during the course of their visit. Visitors' care insurance plans are generally inexpensive and offer elderly parents peace of mind, knowing that they are covered in case of emergency. Visits from parents can be beautiful experiences and offer lifelong memories. By considering the questions above and addressing everyone's expectations in advance, you can avoid conflict and make their visit delightful and memorable. Visitor care insurance. Please check out www.visitorscreeninsurance.net for more information about visitor care insurance and annual travel insurance.